Hello everyone, with this video we will demonstrate how to disassemble Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Before disassembling Samsung Galaxy Note 20, let's take a look at some important prerequisite tools and parts required for this process. To begin, remove SIM card tray using eJack pin. Remove and replace AOD center and left absorber rubber with a new one. Place the device on AOD. Fix and align the device. Close the heater upper. Set 75 degrees Celsius temperature for heater upper and 65 degrees Celsius temperature for heater lower. Press the vacuum button. Press the back glass button. Once done, the AOD jig will automatically disassemble the back glass. Please note, use disassembly jig to avoid any damage. Remove the back glass tape and clean residue. Loosen 16 screws. Loosen one screw. Disassemble Sub PBA. This is how you can disassemble Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.